there, do you want to become a professional photographer? Take superb images, book a lot of clients, and build your creative career? Do you want to grow your skills as a photographer to take better pictures? This course is for you, and welcome. My name is Jonathan Joroge, and I'm your instructor for this course. I have been a professional photographer and filmmaker for more than 7 years now, built a business and earned hundreds of thousands in dollars working as a professional photographer and filmmaker. This course will take you from being a novice into photography to creating professional images, editing them and delivering them to clients and get paid by your clients. We are going to use the basic photography gear that you can access to create these images, and also we make it fun. So let's get started. In this course, we are going to learn the following: equipment that you need to start, understanding the camera, master the exposure elements, learn how to shoot manual like a pro, understanding your lenses, understanding lighting and color as a photographer, understanding focus modes and the different camera modes, composition for great photography, lighting 101, which is natural lighting, introduction to Lightroom editing, and finally, delivering to your clients. We would love you to follow these 3 steps as you study. Learn. This is to grasp as much as possible. You need to have humility and the desire. Humility in that you don't know everything, and the desire to acquire it all. The best approach to learn is to first unlearn the wrong, then learn the right thing. Number 2 is practice. This is to stamp your understanding after learning. You will need to have the discipline of practicing and practicing. Practice and more practice makes perfect, and that's our desire for you. Number 3 is create. You need to create over and over again until you become a master in your craft. Become an expert. Our desire is to see you create images that are recognized in the industry and make money doing what you love for yourself and your family. So let's start the journey of becoming a professional photographer.